Bonjour everyone, and welcome back to Chez Gourdet Cuisine. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare goat so that you can fry it, you can stew it, you can curry it, whatever you want. Using a knife, the first step is to slice through all of the thickest parts of the meat and remove some of the fat. Making these slits in the goat meat ensures that it cooks properly. Next, it's time to clean and prep the meat. I use lemons, limes, sour orange, salt, and vinegar to give the meat a very thorough bath. First, I rinse the meat with warm water. Then I use boiling hot lemon water and allow that to sit for at least 5 minutes. The more aged the meat, the longer you allow it to sit in the boiling water. After rinsing, I add all the meat to a new bowl and begin seasoning. I'm using Haitian épices made in my restaurant, Neges Creole. Next, add the meat to a pot with olive oil and let it steam for about 20-30 minutes. Then add more water, cover it, and let it cook for about 45 minutes to an hour until it is fork tender. Now it's time to fry the goat. Heat some cooking oil to about 350 degrees and then fry the goat meat for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's nice, tender, and this beautiful brown color. Voila, you have fried goat, and you can eat it just like that. If you want to take it a step further and make Kabrit en sauce, which is stew goat or curry goat, fry the goat first for only 2 minutes, then cook it in the sauce on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. But for this video, I decided to make a Taso Kabrit fritai. Bon appetit, everyone!